Hi, Grand Rising. My name is Mr. Cotton, and today I'm going to be making a video on how to send an email to your teacher, okay? So in this video, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to ClassLink, okay? And then once you are on ClassLink, you want to hit Office 365 Portal right here in the orange, okay? And then when you get here, you will see a lot of programs on the side. Excuse me. Okay, a lot of programs on the side or programs at the top. Either or works just as fine, okay? To send an email to your teacher, you see over here on the side of your browser, you should see this icon right here called Outlook. You're going to click this, okay? And then this will take you to your student email, okay? And from here, you will be able to send messages to your teacher through email services, okay? To send an email, you hit this button right here that says New Message, okay? New Message. And then you have to send it to the person that you want to receive your email, okay? So, for example, for my class, my email is bcotton@staffordmsd.org. So if you want to send an email to me, you would type my handle in, you click me, pop up right there. When you get to the subject line, that will be the title of your email. So say, for example, I'm going to call this my first email, right? And then in this space right here, this is where you'll type your message, all right? I can also attach files right here with the attachment button. When I click on this, then I hit browse this computer, it will allow me to attach different files and pictures that I already have saved to my computer, okay? So for example, I will attach my Napa picture that I like so much. And then once I'm ready to send, I will just hit send right here, okay? And then I just sent the email to myself right there, okay? So that is how you send an email to your teacher. Your emails will pop up right here, okay? To also check to see which emails that you've sent, you would just hit send items right here, and then you will see your email that you just sent as well to that person, okay? And also in the deleted items, this is where you come and find emails that have been deleted by you, okay? That is how you send an email to your teacher. Stay by for the next video. Peace.